Hello everyone. In this short video, we will discuss what are the differences between primary immune response and secondary immune response. So let's start. The first difference is related to the exposure to the antigen. In the primary immune response, exposure to the antigen is for the first time, while in the secondary immune response, it is a re-exposure to the antigen. So that is the first difference. Second difference is related to the B cells. In the primary immune response, B cells are unsensitized, while in the secondary immune response, B cells are memory B cells. Fine? That is memory B cells. Third difference is related to the latent period. In the primary immune response, latent period is 5 to 15 days, while in the secondary immune response, latent period is 2 to 5 days. Fourth difference is related to the dose of antigen. In the primary immune response, dose of antigen is the large, while in the secondary immune response, dose of antigen is small. Then another difference is related to the antibody production. In the primary immune response, antibody production is less, while in the secondary immune response, antibody production is the more. Then another difference is related to the persistence of antibody. So antibody persistence in the primary immune response is for the shorter period, while in the secondary immune response, it is for the longer period. And the last difference is related to the immunoglobulin type. So in the primary immune response, immunoglobulins which is developed is of IgM type, while in the secondary immune response, it is of IgG type. So that is the difference between primary immune response and secondary immune response. Thank you for watching. Thank you.